Today we will be covering how to make a drop-down list in Excel. There are a couple of different ways, so we will review them both. Select your cell, then go to Data, then Data Validation. Select List from the drop-down. Enter the selections separated by a comma. Here we will use names. Whoops. Forgot to capitalize. When done entering the names, click on OK. And here is your drop-down. There is also another way to do it. Select your cell again. I like to create a new sheet with the drop-down values on it for organization. I rename it also. Then give the row a title and enter your selections. Highlight all of your selections. See where it says A2 that is highlighted? Rename it to your title. In this case I will use names. Now go back to your original sheet and select Data Validation. Once again select List. Under Source you will put an equals sign, then the name you selected. In this example I selected names. And there they are. What happens if you need to enter something that is not in the drop-down list? You will get an error message. Go back to Data Validation and uncheck Show Error Alert. Now go back and enter it and the cell will take it. Now to make it look really professional, right-click on the drop-downs sheet and select Hide from the menu. As you can see, your drop-downs will still be there. If you found this content helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Also, if there is anything else that you want me to cover, please leave it in the comment section.